Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I bring you a new project that I worked on recently. It is basically an app recruitment approval solution that allows you to input records and also update, manage it. It has an admin session, and also the interesting part here is that a React app can be created and then you can view it within your React app. So, quickly, let's head into it. Now on my screen here, as you can see, I have the database, which is the data verse here. It has the full name, email address, phone number, department, start date, and then the status. Right into Microsoft Power Apps, I have created the Power App solution here. Now, within this app here, I'm just going to expand so that you can see within this app here, all those informations are being retrieved. You can perform the crude actions such as creating a new record. You can create a new record, you can modify existing ones, you can delete, and then there is also an admin session. I'm going to show you the demo in some few seconds. So, but what makes this interesting is that after doing this, I went ahead to create a simple React app that has some information about login, and then I passed in the URL for the app. Now, if I show you here, this is my app running locally on port 3000. So if I come back to my browser and head over to where the URL says localhost 3000, um, you would see that it has a login interface which I created. So I'm just going to put in some info here now. As you notice, it's checking in some information. So I'll put in the email there, then put in the password, and then hit login. Now, this is the same app that you can see here. The same app you can see here. I can run this locally here, but that is the same app you are seeing here in our React app now. So what did I do that makes it special? Here, as you know, we can come to this record currently. You can view it. Any record you select from the left hand side in, you can view the record. Take for instance, I have the second record showing gifts. The gift. I might want to add another name to full name. So I'll click on the edit button here and then go ahead and add Gift Johnson. And then once I'm done with that, I may want to change the department to IT. Then if you notice, I can't make modification to rejected. I might want to change the date to 24th and hit OK. Now, once that is done, I'll hit on done, the check here. You see at the top here, it says record has been submitted, and then this is now the new record. If I want to add a new one, that's modifying old record. If I want to modify, if I want to add a new one, I can add a new tab here, but we will not be doing that now. So I could cancel that to bring me back here. So now, and you could also delete any record. Take for instance, you want to delete this one that we updated, you hit on delete. It will ask you, are you sure? Yes, you delete that. Now it's modifying it. And once it's deleted, you see only one record here. So now this one record here is showing pending. So anytime you create a new record, automatically it goes into pending. But you might ask me, you see where it says admin here, if you click on it, this is the interesting part. Once you click on the admin, it brings you to this login page here. And then if you don't know the password, maybe I just type in something, it's a password field. I just type letter D there, and you try to log in, it will tell you password is incorrect. So you as the user, you have to go back to home. Um, as the case may be, you might have to go back to the home. But if you click it again, you see it continue to ask you for password. But since I know the password, I'm going to enter the password right now. I'm going to enter it now, and then I'll say login. So now it says login successful. What is the difference here? It's just like the user's interface, but the admin has the option to click on edit and then either change the status to approved or rejected. So for this case, I'm going to reject this person. And then once I reject the person and I hit modify, which is okay here, it shows rejected. So I can go back home to my home page here, and then from here I go back to the main page. And then if you come down now, you see that the status has rejected. So all this is done in React app, and once I'm done, I can just hit my logout and it logs me out of the React app. So whenever I want to log in, I log in back and it brings me to the fresh page here. If I'm done with everything, I'm able to log out back. Then finally, I have the function for search. Take for instance, you decide to search James. James is not going to show because you don't have James. So, but if you decide to search gift, it's there already. So the search button also works. Thank you very much and see you in the next one.